Hi everyone, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. In the FullStack development tutorial, today we are discussing about the how to create table using HTML and CSS. Okay, this is the final output of the table. Today in this tutorial, how to create table using HTML and CSS. First of all, what is a table? First of all, what is table? Tables can be used to display data in rows and columns. Okay, tables can be used to display data in rows and columns. Examples like student marks, employee details, price list, reports, etc. Okay, here is the one example of the table. Here I am creating one table like a student information. In this table, total 4 rows and 8 columns. Columns like serial number, name, course, email, gender, address, status, remarks. These are the columns and 4 rows. Okay, today in this tutorial, I will explain the example to create the table. Okay. Okay. Important tags for the creation of table. Okay. Totally four main tags can be used to. Totally four tags can be used to create the tables. First one, table. For creation of the table, we are using the table tag. Table is a parent element of the table. Okay. Next one, tr tag. Tag can be used to create the rows in the table. Tr tag can be used to create the rows in the table. And next one, ph. Ph tag can be used to create the table headings. Okay, so these table headings are default comes with the bold and the center by default. Okay, and next one TD. TD means table data. Sorry, table data. Okay, we can represent the data in the table. We are using the TD. Okay, I will go with the example. Okay, I am opening Visual Studio Code. Here I am creating a new file. Okay, table.html. My file name is table. Extension is the .html, table.html. Okay, this is the basic structure of HTML. Title is the table creation. Title is the table creation. Okay, so after body, we are write the first parent element of the table. Okay, table is the parent element of the table. For the creation of table, we are first of all we are use the table tag. Okay, and next one. This is the final output for the for ours. And next here totally 4 rows. Okay, next I am writing a tr tag for the creation of rows. Total 4 rows. Okay, tr, second tr, and third tr, and fourth tr. Okay, total 4 rows of data. Okay, sorry. Okay, in the first row, we are created table headings. In the first row, we are created table headings. What are the table headings? Serial number, name, course, email, gender, address, and these are the table headings. Okay, here I am writing serial number, first table heading, and next one table heading, next one name, th, next name, email, and next one gender. Okay, after name, course. Okay. For the creation of headings, we are using the th, table headings tag. Okay. Email, gender, address. Okay, enough. Okay, address. Okay. First one is complete. Once compile this file and we will check the output. in the desktop, table.html. Okay, table.html. This is the table. Okay, so here we are using the th tag. So that's why they are come with the default bold. Okay, so next one, next tier, TD. Next tier, we are display the table data. For the creation of table data, we are using the TD. Okay, first one, serial number is the one. Okay, and next one, next TD. Okay, what is the first student name? Ramkumar. Okay, next one, course, web development. Okay, okay, next one, mail ID, Ravi, 12@gmail.com. Okay, next one, gender. Okay, TD gender, male. Okay, next one, TD HYD. Okay, so second row is completed. Okay, once we will check the output. Okay, second row is completed. Serial number one, name Kumar, course web development, email Ravi, sorry, gender male, and address HYD. Okay, and next one, next I am creating another row. Okay, in the third row, TD. Okay, first one, serial number is 2, and next TD. Okay, next name is the Anusha. Okay, so next Python. Course is the Python. Okay, and next one email anu 123@gmail.com. Okay, gender. Next one gender female. Okay, and next one uh, address Raja. Okay, and next one next fourth row. Okay, so TD serial number is 3, and next one TD Usman. Okay, and next one TD course web development. Okay, and next one TD. Okay, Usman12@gmail.com. Okay, next one gender male. Okay, next one location VIJ. Okay, first we'll check the output. Okay, this is the final output. And next one, we are creating borders of columns and rows. Okay, next we are creating borders of rows and columns. Okay, okay. Here I am write the internal CSS using style tag. Okay, first one table border 1px solid black. Okay, okay, for the table we are create a border, and next one we are create a rows and columns. Okay, so next th comma td. Okay, so these are the borders. Okay, and next one we are merge columns to create a single column for each table data. Okay, here I am writing a border collapse property, border collapse collapse. Okay, so this property border collapse property can be merged two borders into single border. Okay. Okay. This is the single borders. Okay. Next, I am create a space in the table data. Space in the table data. Okay. So here I am writing padding. Okay. Only table data. Only TD padding. Okay. Padding 10 pixel for 4 sets. Okay. 4 sets I am created table data. Okay. And next one. Here PH. First TH I am creating background color is green. Okay, in the first TH background color is green. Okay, so I am writing first row. First row. Here I am writing style background color green. Okay, here I am writing inline CSS color white. Okay, so this is the process to create the table. I hope you all are understand how to create the table. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.